Hi guys, Vicky from Trylessmeat and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing the most amazing Tex-Mex recipe as part of our less meat meals. So if you're vegan or vegetarian but you're still cooking, you're doing Veganuary maybe and all your family eat meat, this one pot meal is brilliant because we can do the vegan or vegetarian version first, add in the meat at the end, one pot, less washing up, both having the same meal, easy. So let's get into it. Right, into a pan we're going to add some oil. Going to put some garlic into that, 2 cloves, big large onion, and we're just going to mix that around until it heats up and we can start smelling the garlic. Add in your peppers, add in the mushrooms, stir, and what I like to do is I like to steam it for a couple of minutes so I don't have to add as much oil. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of water in and lid. That is going to steam now for a couple of minutes. It just saves you using too much oil in your recipes. So we're going to take half out. For the other recipe. And into this one we're going to add the vegan mince. And half of the fajita seasoning. We're going to stir that around. Add a tiny bit of water, which helps the fajita seasoning stick. And then we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. This is the vegetarian version is now cooked. We are going to put this in a bowl. I'm going to add a tiny little bit of oil to the pan. Mince. When it's half cooked, add back the vegetables. As you can see, it's starting to go brown. Add the rest of the Tex-Mex spice. Bit of water. Allow that to cook for 5 minutes. So the first half was the vegan mince. We've also got the less meat mince here. So we're going to make our tacos. So got some rice. If you haven't seen my black bean rice video, check this out because it's amazing. It's garlic, black beanie, spring oniony. Oh, it's amazing. Works with any beans. So we're going to top that there. Then we're going to put some vegan mince in this one. And then we're going to put some meat mince in this one. And then we're going to top them with some sauces. Bit of salsa. Bit of avocado. If you don't know how to make your own guacamole, check my video out. I've just made one. It was a bit of an epic disaster because the avocado was a bit hard, but it goes to show that you don't need to waste avocados. Still amazing. Jalapenos if you like them. And there you have it. An easy meal. So what are you waiting for? Get going, have a go. For all things less meat, eco and vegan, click that subscribe button for future notifications.